I just launched a full print-on-demand business, branding, marketing, and live sales page in under 20 minutes. No team, no multiple tools, just one AI platform, Skywork AI. And this isn't just another AI tool. Skywork is a full content creation ecosystem for research, brand identity, product descriptions, marketing assets, presentations, even building websites, all in one place. Everything you're seeing here, the brand story, the product copy, the Instagram captions, the email templates, and this entire website, I built all of it in under 20 minutes. Normally, this would cost up to $1,000 per niche, or at least 6 to 8 hours of your own time, juggling between tools like Canva, Photoshop, Wix, and others. But I did it all almost for free using one platform. Today, I'll show you in real time how I built a complete print-on-demand brand from scratch using Skywork AI. So if you're a print-on-demand seller tired of wasting time on setup, this changes everything. So to start, let's go to Skywork.ai and sign up for free. And once you do that, you get 500 free credits every day that you can use on the platform. And unlike ChatGPT or other generic AI tools, Skywork has specialized super agents, AI assistants trained specifically for professional tasks. There is this document agents for creating research-backed written content, slides agent for generating professional presentations, a web page agent for building complete landing pages. There is even a podcast agent for turning content into multi-voice audio. And again, Skywork offers 500 free credits daily for every user, so the platform can be tested without any upfront cost. I had my logo ready, which was created on another platform a couple of days before I started working on Skywork. Then you can go to the Skywork.ai and then press on a new project and then press on general agent or the general mode. This will open a new project page, and you can see that the agent that we're using is the general agent. So press on the upload button and upload your brand or the documents that you have for your brand. All I have now is just a logo, so I'm going to upload it. And in the prompt box, I'm going to ask Skywork to create a comprehensive brand kit for a print-on-demand business called Urban Style, targeting the youth-oriented streetwear and urban fashion niche. And I want the brand kit to include a brand story, mission statement, brand values, target audience demographics, 5 detailed product descriptions for urban style t-shirt designs and streetwear designs, 10 Instagram captions, 3 email templates to use for email marketing, brand voice guideline, etc. And remember, we are not designing here, we are creating the brand core, the brand essence that we are going to use to build our brand. And then press on generate. And this is what Skywork excels with: deep research and creating documentations. So this is the general agent. Now it asked me that this requirement will be handled by the export mode. And now you can see that the agent now is the document agent that is going to do this research. So I'm going to press on generate to confirm or to switch to the export mode, the deep research mode, which is handled by the documents agent. And now Skywork starts to do the research. It starts by going through the prompt, going through the request of creating a brand kit for a brand called Urban Style, and starts on generating the results. And it even starts to open a live window where it creates the brand kit using codes. And again, we are not interested in this. We are just waiting for the result. But you can see on the left side that it even started to create a color code or color palette for the brand that is going to be implemented inside the brand kit. And it starts to collect data about the demographics and the brand market and the target audience, emerging streetwear trends, the size of the market. And honestly, I'm not interested in the process. I'm just interested in the results. So we can just skip this process until we get to see the final outcome. And here on the right menu, we started to see some visuals regarding the brand kit while it is still generating. We get to see some glimpses of the created presentation, although it is not finished, but you can see that it is using the colors of the brand, and now it is creating the comprehensive brand kit using all the insights gathered, and now it finished. So if we press on this icon, we can open the brand kit in a new tab, and here we get to see the details. It's a comprehensive brand kit using the logo that I have provided. It started by creating a brand story for the brand that I only provided with the logo. So we can see that it has now a brand story, a slogan. It also created a mission statement, brand values. The core brand values are the radical authenticity, the uncompromising quality, community and culture, and bold self-expression. So it even created the core of the business for you. And here, number 3, it tells you the target audience. So this is insane, guys. The complete branding kit created by Skywork in a matter of seconds. And if you press on this button here, we get to download it in PDF or Word document. So let's download it and open it to see the rest of the kit as a PDF file. And here we see that the file is about 18 pages long. Here are the brand values, the target audience, and it says that the target audience is the digitally native, culturally aware youth who live and breathe urban culture. The demographics primary focus is on the Gen Z and older millennials, and it even tells you the average annual spending of each of these demographics. And here's a chart about the streetwear market industry, the average annual spending by age group, the behavior and psychology of the group, the shopping habits. Guys, these information you pay for it, you pay hundreds of dollars to create something like that. And the color palette with the quotes, the color palette for the brand based on the logo and the brand voice and the typography and the do and the don't things to do with the brand, and even the product descriptions, the t-shirt designs that I have asked for. I have asked for 5 t-shirt design descriptions that I can start with. Of course, I can take these descriptions and work on it to create my first 5 products, and even Instagram captions. I asked for 10 Instagram captions and email marketing templates. So here are some templates that you can directly use to send to your targeted audience. Welcome to Urban Style. You're officially in. Thanks for joining the collective where street meets style. So it even provided the discount code that you can use, you can create on the platform that you're selling, the print-on-demand platform, to provide to your clients. And here are other email templates. And you can also edit any of these items by pressing on the edit button. And once you do that, you can even change any of the written document, just highlight or the words and rewrite it. And you can also use the AI editing to rewrite any paragraph. So for example, let's highlight this conscious innovation paragraph and use the regenerate button to regenerate a new paragraph, and this will create a new paragraph for the brand kit. So this is now the new paragraph, and if you like the new result, you can simply press on the save button to save the changes, and this is how you can change or edit anything in the brand kit. Now let's press on these 3 buttons and press on the add to knowledge base and press to confirm, and this is going to add this brand kit to all the files or to the database on the Skywork platform so that we can use it anytime later without the need to upload it again. Now for our second task, we are going to create a marketing presentation, like a pitch presentation. So to do that, just go to Skywork home screen and press on the slides tab, and using this button, we're going to press on the upload from knowledge base and click on both the logo that we have uploaded and the brand kit that we have added to the knowledge base to use them as a reference while creating the slide presentations. So my prompt that I have entered is, I need a professional marketing presentation for the attached brand Urban Style that includes title slide with brand name and tagline, brand story and mission with supporting visuals, target audience breakdown, product line showcase featuring all 5 t-shirt designs, market opportunity analysis, marketing strategy across Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok, revenue projections, and pricing strategies. So it's like a detailed marketing presentation for the project, and I have attached the brand kit and the logo as references and press on generate. Similar to what happened before, the platform starts to work on the requirements, and we are now inside the agent slides. But before it continues, it asked me to choose the number of slides needed. So I'm going to choose 16 to 20 pages and style to be dark, similar to the brand or the logo style, and press on continue. So this is all what it needed to know, how many pages the slides should be. And again, it would start working on the project. And again, Skywork agent takes deep dives in searching web pages, streetwear, global market research, and all the details to come up with the presentation. And as you can see, it started working on the presentation on the right side. The complete presentation is being generated with images and with a design. And here is the final marketing presentation. So let's press on this icon to open it on a new tab. And this is how the presentation looks like. It tells the story and the mission, also based on what was written before, core brand values, the target audience demographics with a very nice icons and presentation style, the consumer psychographics, the market opportunity analysis. It tells you how this market has opportunities and the trends and the growth drivers. Product line overview using the 5 premium t-shirt designs that we have described. And it also talks about each of the product design and the visuals and the brand identity, the marketing strategy for the social media, the Instagram, the TikTok and Pinterest, the pricing strategy, revenue projections. This is insane, guys. So it's not just a research, but it has also created a presentation using all the data that it has gathered, and it even created a suggestion for the website and the email. And don't forget that we can always edit any of this information by pressing on the edit button and selecting any of these text or even graphics on the presentation to edit. So we can just press on it, double click on it and change the text or regenerate the whole page or the whole paragraph if we want. And we can use this upper menu to edit the text. And once we are finalized, once we are satisfied, we can download this final file for it. So let's press on the add to knowledge base, and similar to what we did before, we're going to save this file to the knowledge base to be saved on the platform. And now for our final or the landing page, we are going to press on the website and add the presentation that was created, the branding kit, the logo as attachment using the knowledge database. And this time I'm going to ask it to build a landing page, professional landing page for the urban style red, including a hero section with compelling headline, brand story, feature products section, social proof section, about the founder, Instagram gallery, email sign up form. So you just need to write what you need for the landing page. The landing page is like a website, a one-page website that you can direct your audience to it to collect data or to then redirect them to your print-on-demand website or store later on. So this is what I'm going to use it for, and I pressed on the generate button. Again, it started doing the coding. Again, you don't need to know or have any knowledge about coding or even designing. This is just a prompt that you enter on Skywork, and it is going to do the rest. And here we get to see how the landing page or the website looks like. So let's make it the full screen. And as you can see, this is a professional page with the brand, the logo, the history of the brand, some images, some featured collection. And again, everything is editable. We can change or edit any of these sections. Even meet the founder is there, and some images are not visible, so we are going to change it. And here is also the email collection, and even the logo, we can change it to a transparent logo if we need it. So just let's press on the edit button, and we can just press on any of the selected parts and edit it. So let's go to this image first and replace it. It is not visible on the final result, so I'm replacing it with this mock-up image to see that it can be fixed easily. And we can change any of these items or graphics. And the logo, for example, I'm also going to replace it with this transparent logo and let's press on save to save the changes. And we can also see how this landing page is going to look like on a mobile version by just pressing on this icon at the top. So this is now a live landing page with a domain that we're going to see, and we can download it as a JSON format or just use it as is by linking it to our store. So let's, for example, press on this shop collection button to direct it to another website. I'm going to show you how to do that. Just press on the button and press on AI editing, and you can write down what you would like to do. So I'm going to write down direct it to studiossketcher.com, which is one of my demo platforms, and press on save. Now if you press on the button, now it is working on the left side, showing you that it is going to do the updates by directing the shop collection button to studiossketcher.com. And now it finished the updates. This is also the website of the landing page. So let's test it. Let's test it by pressing on the shop collection button, and this will, as you can see, it will direct us directly to the studiossketcher.com. And this is the updated URL of the landing page, which you can use to market on social media platform. Also, if you press on the download button, it is going to download the landing page as a JSON files that you can also upload on a WordPress website. And you can also add it to the knowledge base, similar to what we did before. I also use the poster agent to create social media designs for my Instagram. So I simply asked it to create 5 posters for the brand, also while attaching all the generated materials similar to what we did before. And these are some of the social media items that was generated using the agent poster for the urban style brand. So that was it. This is how I used Skywork to create a complete brand kit, marketing presentation, a landing page, and social media posts for my new brand. So you can use the link in the description and the code provided to get an extra discount on Skywork plan. But remember, you also get to receive 500 free credits daily just for signing up. And this is enough for testing the documents, the slides, the web pages, and even the podcast agents before any purchase commitment. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for future print on demand and AI entrepreneurship tutorials. Thanks for watching.